What are you cooking? English conversation. What are you cooking?
I am cooking novel apple pudding.
What are the ingredients to make novel apple pudding?
The ingredients are 4 green apples, peeled, cored and thickly sliced, a 1/4 cup or 45 g self-raising flour, sifted 60 g butter or margarine, cubed a 1/2 cup or 100 g caster sugar, 1 1/4 cups or 300 milliliters water.
Could you show me how to make it?
Sure. First, place the apple in a heat-proof dish. Place sour in a bowl. Rub in margarine using fingertips. Second, stir in sugar and water, mixture should be lumpy. Pour over apples. Third, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour or until syrupy and golden.
Wow, it seems delicious. It is easy to make novel apple pudding.
Yes, you can serve warm with cream or ice cream.
Could I taste it?
Yes, of course. Try it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video.